take any sheet of paper and fold it into 4. And now this is the center of the paper. And we want to divide that square angle, that right angle, into 2. So take this corner and fold it over to the opposite side and make that crease. And then unfold everything, and what you've got is 5 lines or 4 lines, 8 lines meeting in the center, and you've got 8 equal angles here around the center. So take your marker and start anywhere on any of those creases. Just pick any point. And what you do is you draw a perpendicular to the next crease. You can just estimate it. This can be totally rough. So from here to here, that's about a right angle. It's about from that point. Right here on the next crease, where you drew 2, use that point and draw a right angle to the next crease. Just like that. Mark that point. Keep on turning. Draw a right angle from that point to the next crease. It's about like this. I'll show you that so far. Okay, so every time I just drew a line from where I was to the next crease at a right angle to the next crease. And you can do that all the way around, from here to the next crease, and from here to the next one. Just be as precise as you can at the center. That's a nice little spiral. Okay, we can do better, so fold it all up again. There it is. Let's bisect that angle again. So right here, what you do is you take this corner and fold it over to the, well, fold it over, fold one corner over to the opposite side. Crease everything up. Unfold everything. There's my crease that divided that angle in 2. And now I've got 16 or 8 lines meeting at the center, depending on how you count. And you take your marker. I'll use a different color. Start anywhere on any crease and do the same thing. From this point, I'll draw a perpendicular to the next crease. And a perpendicular to the next crease. Always a perpendicular to the next crease. And it really doesn't need to be precise because your eye is good enough to approximate a perpendicular well enough for this purpose. That's how it is so far. Looking pretty good. And I'll go all the way around. I went once around. You don't have to stop there. You can keep on going. So that's a pretty nice spiral that, as far as people are concerned, is 400 years old. And as far as nature is concerned, it's a billions and billions of years old, because you can find that in many, many living things.